Whenever someone looks at Kazoo, the first thing they ask me is that a flute? They don't look the same. They might have some similarity, but
it's not the same. You're wrong.
Kazoo looks alien to most of them who have seen it for the first time.
First time I saw this, I thought it was kind of funny.
I've been asked a lot if it can be used for smoking. Flute is a wind instrument, which means the wind pressure creates vibration and the notes depend on the passage it escapes. Kazoo has one passage and that's covered with plastic, so not exactly a passage. Instead of wind pressure, it uses humming and the membrane vibrates to resonate what has been hummed. Flute needs the practice of finger placement while Kazoo needs vocal and other techniques to play it. Flute has holes which are fixed on a scale, so you can play on that scale without sounding off. But Kazoo does not have any scale. Notes come through your humming, so the chances of sounding off is more on Kazoo. But the good thing is that you will not be locked on a scale. You can play any scale you want. So what's the conclusion? A flute player won't be able to play Kazoo, right? Not exactly. A person who plays flute will not be able to transfer the exact same skill to a kazoo, but they will have another great skill. They have trained their ears to identify the pitch. They have knowledge of scale, and if they are able to apply that on their vocals, they will have no difficulty in playing kazoo.
You're super awesome. The end.
Get your kazoo now from the link in the description.